everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my last two Knit Crate boxes and giving you a little insight to what comes in these boxes as well as my initial thoughts. I have only just started receiving these boxes, so I only have two boxes to show you guys, but if you are interested in seeing more of them, I can definitely show you what I do receive in the future. But for those of you who aren't familiar with Knit Crate, basically it is a subscription service where you sign up and you can select your preferred box. There are all different types. There are ones for knitters, ones for crocheters, ones for yarn dyers, and there are also ones based on skill level. So whether you are a beginner knitter or crocheter or an advanced knitter or crocheter, there is definitely something for everyone. So if you guys are interested in seeing what you get in your Knit Crate, just keep on watching. Okay, so this was the very first Knit Crate I received. It was a couple of months ago and I have been meaning to film this video since I got it, but I wanted to wait until I had received another one as well, so I had more than one box to show you guys. So this is the first box I received. Every box comes with some kind of theme. The theme for this one was Metropolis. I hope I'm saying that right. And the little blurb says, "A city rises between the desert and turquoise seas, the faded chalk colours for stucco create channels for busy passerby." I don't know what any of that means. But anyway, that's the theme for this box. So when you open up your box, you will get one of these cards, which again gives you a little description of the box's theme. And then on the back, you get patterns. So for this one, you get a scarf pattern, a beanie pattern, and two sock patterns. There is a little QR code on there. I don't know if you guys can see. There is a little QR code on there. So you just scan the QR code and it takes you straight to the patterns. So easy. In this box, I also received a tape measure, which of course, tape measures always come in handy, so you can never have too many of those. It says time to unwind on it, which I thought was pretty cute since, you know, the tape measure unwinds. Bit of a play on words there. I also received this beautiful merino wool. I believe these are 50 gram skeins because on this label it says 200 grams. So I'm assuming the combined weight of all of them is 200 grams, meaning they would be 50 grams each. It is a superwash merino worsted weight yarn. The brand is Knitology by Knit Crate. I'm assuming that's their own in-house brand of yarn. But look at these colors. The colorway for this is Sunset. I don't know if the camera's really doing it any justice, but these colors are absolutely beautiful. It's just 4 different shades of this beautiful pink color. And I believe that after you receive your box, you do have the option to go online and purchase more of the yarn that you received in your box in case you were wanting to make a bigger project and you didn't get enough in the box, which is great because you kind of get a little sample of the yarn, and then if you decide you do want to use it to make something bigger or you need more of what you got in your box, you then have the option to go and buy more of it, which I think is awesome. So that is it for my first box. I am now going to show you what I got in my second box. Okay, so for the second box, the theme is conservatory, and I will read you the little blurb once again. So the blurb says, "Retreat from a chilly spring morning into the humid warmth of a greenhouse lush with plants." And this is the little card you get. And then again, on the back, you get access to your included patterns. For this box, you get a bag pattern, a headscarf pattern, and 2 sock patterns. They are a mixture of crochet and knit. I should have mentioned that earlier, but they are a mixture of crochet and knit patterns. I then received this cute little notebook. You can never have too many notebooks. Well, I know I can't anyway. And it's just a lined notebook you could use for writing down patterns or keeping track of your whips or anything like that. It's got these cute little leaf details on the front, which obviously fit in with the theme of conservatory, so very cute. And then the best part is the yarn. So I got 2 skeins of this beautiful wool. Again, I will read the label to you. 100% merino wool. This one's a DK weight, and these are 100 gram skeins. So absolutely stunning color. It is a beautiful coral color. I feel like the camera doesn't really do these yarns justice, but it is absolutely stunning. And again, you can go on the Knit Crate website and purchase more of this if you like. So that was it for box number 2. The box I have been receiving is the Knit and Crochet Club box, but again, there are a whole range of different boxes to choose from. If you guys are interested in signing up to Knit Crate, you can use my code KatieRee, that's KATIEREE, and you will get 20% off your first box. I will also leave a link in the description down below if you are interested in checking out Knit Crate for yourself. I also just wanted to mention that you can cancel your Knit Crate subscription at any time. There are no contracts, so you're not locked in for a certain amount of time, which I think is great because obviously circumstances can change at any time, or you might just decide you don't want to receive it anymore. But anyway, that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any ideas on what I should make with this yarn that I have received in these boxes, I would love to know your thoughts. Please comment down below because I never use wool for anything, so I'm really unsure of what to make with it, but I also want to do it justice. So I want to make something good with it, if you know what I mean. So please leave your ideas in the comments down below. But as always, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please join me in the Talk Yarny to Me Facebook group. I would love to see you there. There will be a link in the description down below. And of course, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified of all my future videos. But until next time, have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye.